In today's video, I'll show you the quickest way to add numbers in a Google Sheets column. This is super handy for budgets, reports, or any data you need summed up fast. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Google Sheets tips. First, open Google Sheets at docs.google.com/spreadsheets and select your sheet or create a new one. Now, click on the empty cell where you want the total to appear, usually at the bottom of your column. Type equals sum and then drag over the column cells you want to add. You will see the range inside the brackets. Once you're done, press enter and instantly Google Sheets will calculate the total for you. The best part, if you update any number in that column, the sum will update automatically, saving you time and effort. And that's it, a quick and easy way to add numbers in Google Sheets. Keep practicing and you'll master spreadsheets in no time. Like, share and subscribe for more quick tips.